Students, today we are going to learn about tenses. Now, what is the meaning of tense? Tense means time. Okay, so there are three types of tenses. First is present, it means the time which is going on, then past, the time which has gone, and then future, the time which has to come. Okay, so three types of tenses are there. Further, four types of tenses are there of present, past, and future. But from that four, we will read about only simple present, simple past, and simple future tense. Okay, only these three tenses we will read about. Now there are some rules to write these type of tenses. The rule for writing simple present tense is subject, that means the person or the thing which we are talking about. Then v1 means first form of the verb, then s or es, then object means what are we are talking about, the subject. Now for example, he goes to school daily. Now see here he is singular, means one only, one person. So we use here v1 go plus s or es, means here we use only es. But if we write they go to school daily, so here now subject is plural, means many, it is not a single person. So here we use only v1, here we will not use s or es, here we will use only v1. So this is the rule for writing simple present tense. Next is simple past tense. The rule to write simple past tense is subject plus v2 plus object. In this we will not see whether the subject is singular or plural. We will write only v2. We will use only v2, that is second form of the word. Its example, they went to Shimla last year, means see last year written, that this time has been gone, so we have used only second form of the verb, that is v2. Now the rule for simple future tense is subject plus will shall plus v1 plus object. Now shall is used with I and we, okay, and will is used with other subjects. For example, I shall go to market tomorrow. Okay, and next we can write she will sing a song in school next week. So this is your future tense. On basis of these rules, we will find in your 16th chapter the tense times exercise, that with the sentences which are given are present, past or future, means in these sentences we are talking about which tense, present, past or future. Okay, and also in next chapter, your 17th chapter of English grammar, we will do some exercise related to only simple present tense. Okay, so on basis of these rules we are going to solve these two chapters of your English course book, that is 16 and 17.